Oh yeah, love that view. Yo, what's up everybody? We're back here on the channel. Yep, at Brzezicki Brothers Performance. We're in the garage again. And I just wanted to give you a little update. We got the transmission fitting lines on, the transmission lines for the cooler. So we're gonna try and add some extra fluid in there. I've seen a couple videos so that they added extra trans fluid, and we gotta add some anyway. So we're gonna show you my little secret on how we're doing it and what's up in the shop. Let's have it. Like the previous video, you know, this is the transmission fluid. The pump, gonna try and pump some extra plus what we need and check it. We got the lines in. We had to hit them a little bit. Watch the SPE video. They have a great install video to give you a basic feel on how to install the stuff. Nothing's perfect, but it was pretty rough to get in. We got them in. Had to hit them in a little bit, lube them up. But right now, you know, I guess it would be safe. I'm not too sure. I'm not gonna lift the car up super high, but my little trick, we got the spacer on to jack it sideways. No spacer on this side. And then we let it down on these first, the mini ramps. These are great if you have any sort of car like these all slammed and lowered. These ramps give you just enough room to get a jack under it to lift it up. But we're gonna lift it sideways. And then before we worked on it, the car is super dead. The battery died. We had to push it back. So my brother mentioned something, and I just watched a YouTube video. Yep, I watch other people's YouTube videos and get better ideas and stuff, how to do stuff. And I found out how to put it in neutral. To put the gt500 in neutral. So there's a little lever down in here. Come down in your center console box, and right there in the corner, you can pry it with a little plastic lever or whatever you have. This will pop out, and you'll see there's a string there. So you pull it, and it should, you know, click in, and that's in neutral. So you want it out of neutral. It's supposed to, you know, you're supposed to pull it back slightly, and it should spring reload or however it reloads. Now you're back to normal in park. That's how you do that. I just learned that today. You definitely will need to know it if you work on these cars, because you can't do much whenever the battery dies. And I'm thinking the tuner was left in it, and this little light killed the battery, I think. It's probably been about 3 weeks, maybe 2 weeks since we started it last, I guess. Probably 3. Let me see, the window doesn't go up. The battery is super dead. So I had to push it back in neutral. And now we're got it jacked sideways, and we're gonna try and get some extra trans fluid in there. So that's where we're at with it. Soon we'll jack it up so high until we feel comfortable. Throw some trans fluid up in there and then let the battery charge. Put the shield back on. Everything else. So that's what's going down. Wanted to give you my little trick on how to get extra trans fluid in a transmission. We've seen a couple other shops doing it. We're gonna try it out, and you know, we could always just drain the extra tranny fluid out, but sometimes, you know, they might be low. But we're gonna check it and get to that. So keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and I'll see you on that next video. Peace.